Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So in today's video, I'll be talking about the software engineer one role that has opened up in American Express. This will be a hybrid job where your work from office days will be from Bengaluru, Karnataka. So the responsibilities or the requirements that you will have to fulfill, um, or the minimum eligibility, let's start with, for this role is you need to have a bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering, or related field, or some equivalent practical experience will also do. That is your minimum eligibility criteria. The requirements that they have listed for this role is you need to have strong foundation in DSA, data structures and algorithm, proficiency in at least one programming language, for example Python, Java, JavaScript, C++ will do. Some strong problem solving and analytical skills, basic understanding of software development principles, and any team at the stage will want you to have strong communication, networking, teamwork skills so that you're able to communicate, express what you think about a particular problem, how you want to solve it, and you're able to guide your team members towards it. So these are the minimum qualifications or minimum requirements that the American Express has listed. As a part of their good to haves, that is not a requirement, but it is a good to have if you have an internship experience prior to this, or some kind of project experience, so that you have had some experience in, say, cloud platforms or some development using web or mobile. Then that is definitely a plus. So if you have had these kind of experiences, then definitely you'll have some knowledge in version control tools like Git and GitHub, Bitbucket, and understanding of databases and APIs also they have listed under their good to haves. So these are all the requirements that you need to fulfill to be able to apply for this role, as a part of what they will be providing you, or they will be promising you. If you get into this software development role at American Express, you will get competitive base salaries, bonus incentives, medical, dental, life insurance, everything will be covered depending on your location. And they have a hybrid working model, so they will have both on-site as well as virtual arrangements, depending on the role or the business requirement, right? And they will have your generous paid leave policies and so on. You can find out what they provide to their employees on their site directly. Now, moving on to the hiring process that they generally follow for this role. The hiring process generally spans over 4 rounds for the software developer one role. So starting with round one, which will be an online assessment. So here it will be on an online coding platform. You'll be asked two to three questions on data structures and algorithms. It varies from year to year. After your first online assessment, you'll have to sit for your first technical interview. So here there will be questions on OOPS, based on C++, Java programming languages, basic fundamental computer science concepts, data structures, basic questions they'll be asking you. In your second technical interview, you will be asked some low-level system design questions. Coding questions will also be asked, and you will have to discuss on your projects. So for your second technical interview, make sure you are going through all the projects that you have listed in your resume. You need to go through what tech stacks you have used and why you've used them, and basically go through the features that you've implemented. This is what you have to cover for your second technical interview. And for your HR round, that's your last round, they will be asking you some basic HR related questions, like where you'll have to answer some, say, situation based questions, where you can answer using the star approach. uh, Try to engage your interviewer more, and also ask the interviewer questions until you understand, because these are situation based questions, not the general HR questions that generally get asked, right? So these are all the rounds that you'll have to sit for to get into the software developer one role at American Express. Go ahead and apply for this role before the link expires. I have attached the link to the application window in the description of my video. Go ahead and apply. And if you are liking my content, finding it useful, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I do post quite frequently on companies which are currently hiring for jobs and internships, especially for college going students who are on the lookout for this. So please subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot. And hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.